Hey everyone, welcome back to week 3 of What I Learned in Tech this week. I have 2 items this week. Item 1 is not every problem is technical. The human problem still exists. That's not saying that humans are the problem, but rather that not every issue can be solved with technology. Work on your soft skills. As an IT professional, you need to be able to communicate at all levels. Not just your technical peers, but also your customers and end users. And sometimes you do just have to explain it to them like they're 5. The second item on the technical side is I spent time with Docker. So if you're not familiar with Docker, it's a container service, and containers are lightweight virtual machines that run on another machine that only spin up the required resources for a specific task at hand. So for example, if you want to run like Nginx or Apache Tomcat for a web server, it would only spin up the required resources to run Apache Tomcat or Nginx, meaning you don't need all the overhead from the OS and all the other services and all that stuff that's running in the background. So just those services to run that specific task. So play with Docker. It can be run in Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and there's even a desktop client that makes things very graphical and very simple and rather simple and easy to use. And also check out the Docker Hub. So Docker Hub has a bunch of pre-built images of services that you can run, and pretty straightforward. But there's pretty much any service you can think of, there's a Docker container for it. So that's what I worked on this week in tech. Let me know what you worked on, and we'll see you next week.